Good morning, dear students. We have discussed most of the parts of the chapter 1. In previous lecture, I promised you to discuss the conservation of resources in my next lecture. So, today I am here with the same. As you all know, the earth is a living planet because many forms of life, or almost all forms of life, which are surviving there only on the earth, as with it the nature supports the system of living. You see, air is healthy here, water is too, and the same is there in the case of soil. The earth is also full of minerals, forest, and many more. But you know, resources are limited, though some are renewable, but access, use of them, they also may become over. Hence, needed the careful use of resources and giving them time so that they may regenerate themselves. This way, if we use resources, is called resource conservation. New term now being coined everywhere, that is sustainable development. Do you know? Here, balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future generation is called sustainable development. For this, though we need to do many things, but at least you can do 4 R's. First, refuse. It means sometimes we use things which are of no need. So refuse them, their uses. Second R, reduce. Sometimes it happens we have some things more than what we need, so reduce your needs. Third are recycle. Things of metal, of plastic are recycled. If you can help in this. Reuse resources which you can. Some principles of sustainable development given at the end of the chapter, those I have written over here. See, respect and care for all forms of life, as they all are very important. Improve the quality of human life so that the life may respect all forms of life and also other non-living things. Conserve the earth's vitality and diversity, as different forms of life, all are there very important, they are vital, so they should be conserved. And natural resources are not unlimited, so they should be minimized in their use to make least depletion. Change personal attitude and practices towards the environment. If we change means start honoring the environment will honor us. Enable communities to care for their own environment. If everyone start caring for his her surrounding, then environment may remain healthy for all. Learn all is your homework, and next lecture we will have on next chapter. Till then, have a blissful day. Thanks.